How to adjust white balance RGB screen color on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon, and from the settings page, we then scroll down, and from here, tap on display. Next, we scroll down and then tap on screen mode. From here, go down and select vivid. If you select natural, you will not be able to adjust the white balance color. So select vivid. Then in here, tap on advanced settings. From here, you'll be able to manually adjust the RGB color. So you can change red, green, and blue. At the top windows here, you'll be able to see the different color changes when you adjust the white balance color. And then you can also change the vividness of your screen. Okay, so make the necessary adjustment. Once you are happy with it, you can tap on the back key, or you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.